Hi there! So after being the ruler of the audio industry, Yamaha has recently launched their premium headphones, and here they are, the Yamaha YHE700. Now these headphones truly stand out when it comes to build and design. Now I've been using these for a couple of days and my experience has been more than overwhelming. Packed with features like ANC, listening optimizer, listening care, aptX codec support, and the list just goes on and on. Let me take you through everything in detail so you can decide if you should buy these or not. We'll start with a quick unboxing, and I must add the attention to detail of the retail packaging. It's really commendable. Here you can see the manufacturing details along with the MRP of 29,900. Then inside, right on the top, is the hard case to carry and safely keep the headphones. It has this amazing leather-like finish with the Yamaha logo embossed on it. Then inside we see the headphones, a USB-C charging cable, a 3.5mm aux cable when the juice runs out, a dual flight adapter, and finally some paperwork that includes a user manual. Alright, coming to the build and design. Well, the headphones are made of polycarbonate and it screams premium the moment you set your eyes on it. They look really nice. Then these are over-the-ear headphones. As you can see, it's totally covering my ears. It weighs about 325 grams and feels very comfortable even when worn for long hours. Yeah, they might look bulky, but trust me, they aren't. The headband and the ear cup foam is very well cushioned, providing the right kind of support and comfort. They actually even extend and they also swivel inwards, so it's kind of easy to rest it around your neck when not in use. And inside the ear cups, it's actually written in bold L and R, which obviously means left and right, which really actually helps when you quickly want to wear them. I can confidently say that the build quality of these headphones are very impressive. On the left ear cup is the ANC button along with the 3.5mm headphone jack to connect to devices that either lack Bluetooth or when the juice on the headphones runs out. On the right ear cup is the power button, the USB-C port to charge, there's a pause, play, call button and volume rocker buttons. Now the pairing process is fairly simple. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Search for Yamaha E700 on your phone's Bluetooth settings, click and you're done in a couple of seconds. There you go. Now talking a little about the fit. Now as mentioned earlier, they're very comfortable and the buttons are easily accessible. The headphones also provide a very nice seal. The cushions, as I mentioned before, are also really soft, and even when this worn for long hours, I didn't feel any kind of discomfort. Alright, coming to the features, we'll start with my favorite one, Listening Optimizer. So what exactly is that? Now every ear is unique, so the fit will also be different. What these do is that it optimizes the sound in real time, adapting to you and your environment, providing a more improved sound experience. Trust me, you actually have to experience it to see how well this works. Then it also comes with a listening care feature. Let me explain. Now sounds at some frequencies are hard to hear at low volume. So what we usually do is that we increase the volume, but that could actually damage your hearing. So the listening care feature, when enabled, balances the sound pressure and the frequency spectrum so every note can be heard even at low volume. It enhances the whole audio experience. Imagine you're able to hear every note, every instrument even at low volume. Just amazing. Then these Yamaha E700s also come with advanced active noise cancellation. Now we all know what essentially noise cancellation is. It cancels the external sound, making way for clear audio, and this one does a splendid job. Most static sound is drastically reduced, something like a noisy fan, a noisy air conditioner, or sometimes when you're in a noisy room. It's ideal to wear for those long flights. But keep in mind that ANC has its limitations. Something very sudden and loud will be audible. Then we also get ambient mode, which in simple terms is the opposite of noise cancellation. It actually enhances the external sound, making you aware of your surroundings. It's kind of ideal when you're walking on the street outdoors or riding a cycle. It's really helpful. Alright, coming to the sound quality. Well, what do I say? It's Yamaha. They know audio so well, and I surely expected them to sound amazing. But it was way beyond that. The sound is tuned so well that each audio file sounds like you are actually in a live concert. It supports SBC, AAC and even Qualcomm aptX adaptive, which means you have access to the best audio quality. It provides thumping tight bass, excellent instrument separation along with clear crisp vocals. When you buy these, you know you're in for a treat. Then these also come with app support. It's called Yamaha Headphone. This app is available for both Android and iOS. Once you download and launch it, it'll automatically recognize your device once it's paired to your phone. You can see the image of the device with the battery percentage, listening care toggle on and off, listening optimizer on and off, noise cancellation can be toggled to ambient mode, can be turned off, and noise cancellation on. If you move towards the right, you can even set an auto timer to turn off the earphones. A very handy feature when you're watching movies while using the headphones. The only hitch for me is that the app lacks custom equalizer support. In fact, even if they had some preset equalizers, it would have been great. Then we used these for phone calls indoors and the experience was actually really good. Very clear both ways. Here's a quick mic demo. Hi there. So right now the audio you're hearing is being recorded from the Yamaha's E700's microphones. And this is exactly how it will sound to the other person when you use these headphones for phone calls. I think they sound pretty good. What do you say? But what actually surprised me is that even outdoors, it was actually really clear. It cancelled most of the ambient sound, so the caller actually never even knew that I was using headphones for the phone call. And that's why I even use these for online office meetings, and the experience was really good. We briefly tested it while watching movies, and we didn't experience any audio delay either. In fact, the thumping tight bass with clear audio is going to give you a theater-like feel. Rest you can control the volume, change tracks, pause play, or from the physical tactile buttons, and they worked without any hitch. Lastly, also get solid 35 hours of battery life, and that too with ANC turned on. The Yamaha E700 headphones are an experience. Highly recommended if you're looking for superior audio fidelity and comfort. You can buy these headphones from the Yamaha website for 29,900. It's available in two colors, white and black. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.